Hello friends, today's topic: will markets go up because of constant FII buying? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Educational Society. Indian markets rallied this week after US President Donald Trump passed US tariffs for 90 days. Nifty has rallied by around 6% from 22,400 to around 23,800 in just 4 trading days. A similar rally was seen in the beginning of March 2025. Nifty rallied by around 7.7% from 22,000 to 23,700 in around 3 weeks in March. However, the rally in March could not be sustained due to the fear of US tariff announcements, which led to Nifty falling by 6.5%. It fell from 23,700 to 22,100. So in 2 months, Nifty has rallied between 22,000 to 23,700. It has been extremely volatile, just like other global stock markets. FIIs were net buyers in Indian markets this week. This was one of the reasons for the strong uptrend. Indian markets will need the support of FIIs if any rally has to be sustained. FIIs inflows in Indian markets March and April 2025. 18th March to 27th March 2025, FIIs inflow and outflow plus 27,735 crore, Nifty movement plus 4.9%. 15th April to 17th April 2025, FIIs inflow plus 14,670, Nifty movement 4.5%. Many analysts are already predicting that this is the start of good uptrend by just observing 4 days of market rally. Nobody can be sure if this rally can be sustained or not. If the rally is sustained, it will make many investors happy since they might have been investing in the previous few months at lower prices. The rally fizzles out, then it will still be a happy situation for investors since markets will continue to be very attractive for long-term investors. It has been 7 months since Nifty touched its lifetime high. Since then, it has been in general downtrend and markets have been trading in a range. With the recent rally, Nifty has turned positive for 2025. On 31st December 2024, Nifty had closed 23,645. Currently, Nifty is at 23,852. Although Indian markets had a holiday today due to Good Friday, Asian markets were open and most of them have closed positively. As per the initial indications of GIFT Nifty, our markets could open slightly positive on Monday too. Let us hope that the uncertainty in global economy settles down. The quarterly results of various companies are expected in the coming weeks. Markets will react to such a news. As of now, the results of major IT companies has been very weak and below expectations. End of the video, here is the question. Indian IT companies are being impacted by US tariffs and expected slowdown in US economy. Do you think Indian IT companies will permanently lose its advantage in the future? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.